One of the coolest things about living in a hotel is you buy your groceries and you can load them up on this dolly and get in an elevator and pull it out. Whoa. From the car to the left. Look at this sweet boy sleeping. Hi friends, so today is Monday, December 5th. It's our last full day here in the hotel. We've been living in this hotel for a month, and so we are cleaning up, and I'm using the baby's pram to hold things down to the car. I carry him. I have a little carrier. When he's awake, I use the carrier, and while he's sleeping, I pack stuff up. And so I'm trying to get everything together. I mean, we have been living here for a whole month. So we move off to our place where we're going to be for a while tomorrow. So I'm excited about that. Hopefully some stability. But oh my gosh, there's been so much trouble with household goods. So we'll have to see. But for now, that's where we are. So friends, I braided my own hair. By no means is it professional, but hey, I get to protect the stuff a little bit. I was able to control the tension. I do, however, look at these sideburns. Oh my gosh, talk about Wild Wild West. Look at that. So I am gonna trim these down. But I mean, otherwise, I used like 2 packs of hair. It took me a while braiding your hair with a 6-month-old, so I braided when I could. But I mean, I'm happy with it. Hopefully it'll last me at least 2 months or something, so I don't have to worry about my hair. That's what we're dealing with. Hopefully I can get all this packing done, and then I can take him swimming. Poor baby. Do something he likes. But other than that, let's get him moving. Alright, quick video. This is what my car looks like so far. I'm leaving space for me, and I still have all the space to load up. Baby's car seat is going there, and this is the boot so far. So in here I've got coats for baby and I, extra diapers, all his goodies from the closet, some of my medications, kitchen stuff, toiletries, and I've been using his pram attachment to bring everything down. And this is what the front seat looks like. So I still have so much room here, so much room back there, some space in the boot. And if you don't know, I have a really tiny car. I have a Kia Rio, so it's a small car, but you know what? We know how to pack. It's not our first rodeo. It's our first rodeo with the baby, but it's not our first rodeo. So that's where we are for our last supper in the hotel. I'm making sauteed mushrooms and green beans, a random chicken breast that was in the fridge, leftovers, some shrimp for me because Blake doesn't, some chicken thighs, so he'll have that. I took out a bag of frozen rice that I made last week, so I'm getting that all warmed up. So baby will have some green beans, a couple pieces of that, and I got some food going in the fridge for him. Then for desserts, I'm gonna slice this up. It's mango, smelling super ripe, so he'll have some mango. And the place is looking chaotic, but it's honestly organized chaos because I know what's happening, I know what's going where. And like I said, I'm going to take him down to the pool for one last time. I've got our things out there. Blake's gonna run somewhere after work, so he won't be back until later on. I mean, it's looking kind of good. Empty drawers. He's gonna pack his own things. So Hey, look at this boy. Huh? Hello, Papa. Hi, sweet boy. Things I will miss about hotel living. Beautiful sunsets from the 4th floor. Look at that. So cool. You can shower whenever or whatever. Nothing to that. And oh, it's chilly. Feet. Hello. Whenever. However. Wait, I didn't. Oh, kicked on now. Now you can hear it. Hotel living. As well as access to the pool. We're gonna get a swim in. Whoopsie. Thank you so much. Thanks, Jeffrey. We're gonna get a little swim in, huh? Whoa, we have the whole place to ourselves. Look at that. Ooh, and it's nice and warm. I can swimming. Hello, friends. Gavin and I are at the pool. Say hi, Papa. It's just the two of us, and I put my hair up, all bunch. I put some towels down. Papa's out. It's only us. It's nice and warm. Are we gonna have a fun time? Oh, look at that smile. Are we gonna have a fun time? Yeah. Alright. For real though? He's so excited. He's so excited. Yeah. He's so excited. I say hello. Can you say hi? Ooh, he's so silly. Say hello. Whoa. Wow. Pagoda, pagoda. Oh, he's swimming. Oh. Goodness. Goodness, Papa. We're gonna go back in one last dip, and then we'll go upstairs. We'll have a shower and get ready for some supper. Da 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 da. Housekeeping services at a drop of a hat. Fresh towel delivery in your request for some. And there, friends, we've come to the end of this video, and coming up you'll see what state we are about to move to. So yes, we'll be living in Pennsylvania for
I don't know how long, but we'll be living in Pennsylvania. So I do hope that you enjoyed this video, and I look forward to sharing our adventures here and exploring the area and starting up on our crafts and just watching Gavin and I explore around and watching him grow. So see you next time.